Hello friends, here you can see my very beautiful Moculata plant. It has also so many tubers. You can also consider them baby's plant. Here I will see you proof. I make another plant. Here you can see with this plant, and you can see its growth is also very good. I plant one in it, and here you can see one another, and here you can see a very little baby plant is also taking out from another. So this is full of so many tubers, baby's plant, and it also has like this flowering plant. Its flowers color is white. So let's start to here you can see I take out a very little tuber which also has so many roots. Whenever you do this method, the roots are very important. So we plant it here. So in this way you can make more plants with division method.